What to do once you join the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do the moment you create an account with Builderall, the moment you join our team, the moment you are part of the movement. Because honestly, if you first log in and you watch the videos, the welcome videos, and then you see all of this stuff, you will be mind blown. So before you get overexcited, right? The first thing you want to do is decide what you're using this platform for. And I'm excited because they added a new tool, and this new tool is not only going to be beneficial to you, it's actually going to be beneficial to even the old users and people who've had Builderall for quite some time. Mainly because every time you come up with a new idea, there's questions that you ask yourself and there's answers that you have to answer to yourself. So here with Builderall, what they've done is they created an assistant tool. So up here at the top, I would say the left, sort of to the left, to the right of the left, right here, you'll see a button that says assistant. And if you click on it, it's going to open up a page. Now, the cool thing about this is exactly what you're about to see. We have the same tool. This is called a site bot. So we're able to set up the same type of process. So right here, when you click on it, right, it'll say, welcome to the Builderall Assistant. Click here to get started. So I'm going to click here to get started. And then they ask you, what is your main goal with Builderall? Do you want to become a Builderall affiliate and start making money from letting everybody know about this awesome platform? Or do you want to use the Builderall tools for your own business? So most likely, you really want to do both, to be honest with you. This platform is set up to really handle both and really make both very easy to do. So here we're going to go ahead and use the Builderall tools for my business. Okay, you want to use the platform for your own business and projects. How do you want to start? So do you want to get a quick overview of the platform where they show you everything? Or do you want them to show you what you can do? Do you want a complete list of the tools or the main menu? So I want to see, show me what I can do. And then you'll see it opens up virtually every tool we have. So it says, okay, you know what you want to do. How do you want to start? Do you want to build a website? Do you want to create a sales page? Do you want to create a blog? Do you want to build an e-learning course, create a membership site, a webinar, a business directory? Do you want to sell products online? Do you want to create a Facebook chat? Do you want to create a site bot like this? Do you want to learn about Builderall affiliate training? Do you want to learn about affiliate marketing? Do you want to work with local businesses? Do you want to create an e-commerce store? Do you want to get a 30-minute free help session? Go back to the previous menu or the main menu. So right here, you're seeing, virtually a step-by-step to break down exactly what it is you want to do. I'm going to click on build an e-learning course. So then you'll see there's a video that will walk you through how to build an e-learning course. So I'm really excited because everything you need to do is right here in this platform. And not only is the training here, not only are the videos here, the testimonials here, but now there is a bot that will virtually, become your assistant and ask the questions that you need to ask yourself so you can get to the end result. So let me go back to the main menu. Let me click on Builderall affiliate business. I'll become a Builderall affiliate. So you can see that if you're looking to start generating income right now without building anything, you can come here. It says, okay, so you want to work as an affiliate on a Builderall business. And which plan are you subscribed right now? So you can say, I'm a free affiliate. I have the platinum plan or the premium plan. And most people probably have the premium plan because it has all of the tools and it's just awesome. So congratulations, you are a premium affiliate. We have created an incredible training to help you start right now. So if you're just getting started and you've accessed the funnel club, you have your links and stuff and you don't know what to do, or you don't even know what that is, you definitely want to click this button. So you click this button and it will bring up a video and they will go over the premium template club. They will show you the value right in the back office. And this is really how you fast start your business. So once again, really excited about this new tool. Really excited for the fact that you can do the same thing for your business. You can create a bot that pops up on a page, or you can create one that pops up on its own page. But here it is right here for you. It's the assistant tab. So if you're in Builderall and you're trying to figure out how to put things together, this is one really quick way and one really responsive way for you to figure that out. So here you see me going through it again, and that's just it, man. So I hope you guys are using this platform. If you haven't used this platform, I hope you guys are beginning to use this platform because it's awesome. Once you get started, you definitely won't leave. You'll build everything on here. All your digital real estate will be here, and rightfully so, because it has every tool that you would need to create a legacy. That being said, guys, my name is Sus Viliano, better known as Jamar Johnson, Woman Talking Business, and I see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Peace.